Howdy, Wall Street Willie. What are the advantages of a personal loan? The biggest benefit of a personal loan is that it can be used for pretty much anything, from debt consolidation to emergencies to vacations to weddings. More often than not, it doesn't need to be backed by collateral. The process to get a personal loan is fairly quick and simple. The interest rate on personal loans is often less than that of credit cards and other high-interest debt, so you can take a personal loan to pay off your existing debt. This will not only save you a lot of money in interest, but you will only have one payment to worry about each month. Finally, as you make timely payments each month, you build your credit history and can improve your credit score. Are there any disadvantages? The biggest benefit of personal loans may also end up being a huge disadvantage. Since it's so easy to get a personal loan for any use, it might be tempting to go overboard and you might end up piling on unnecessary debt. Since most personal loans are unsecured, you need to have a very high credit score to get a lower interest rate. If your credit score isn't high, you might need to provide collateral, which will be seized by the lender if you default on your payments. There could also be many fees associated with a personal loan, like origination fee, late payment fee, prepayment penalty, etc., which can add up over time. Finally, if you delay or miss your payments, your credit score will be significantly impacted. Should I take out a personal loan? That depends on what you are planning to use the money for and how good your credit score is. It's a great idea to use a personal loan to pay off higher interest debt, but if you are using it to pay for a large expense, like a vacation, you should probably save up money beforehand instead of taking out a personal loan. This way, you won't get sucked into a cycle of debt, which can be especially deadly if you have a poor credit score. Whatever the case, only take out a personal loan if you can afford to pay it off, have reasonably good credit, and aren't using it to buy something you can't actually afford. Don't forget to comparison shop to get the best terms possible. If you are still unsure, some of the alternatives you could consider include a home equity loan or a personal line of credit. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.